In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill troops and siege machines in Clash of Clans. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Clash of Clans on your device and make sure that you're signed in to your account. Now take note that before you can fill troops and siege machines, you'll need to ensure that your town hall is at Town Hall level 12. If the level of your Town Hall is lower than level 12, then you won't be able to do this. So once your Town Hall is at level 12, go ahead and click on your Town Hall and you'll be able to find a request option in this area. You'll be able to request siege machines for your Clash of Clans. Once you have done that, you'll need to construct siege machines like the Wall Wrecker, Battle Blimp, or Stone Slammer in the siege workshop. Use your clan castle to request reinforcements from your clan mates. The troops requested will automatically be assigned to your siege machines. To be able to achieve the level 12 town hall, you need to furthermore improve the troops and the materials that you have for your clan. You'll need to attack enemies on other clans to be able to earn more money that will actually allow you to improve your clan.